this car.
Using its water.
Looks like he's peeing though.
I know. Look. That's a good place.
Almost all our portfolio is in Telford. It's the closest area to where I live in the south east of Buckinghamshire that I can get to that actually give me a 10% plus return.